A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this.
Yes, Mama.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the start of a new vlog. Guys, I am now ready. You saw me get ready. I am now ready. I am going to town to meet with our bride. So we've got a wedding tomorrow. So I'm meeting up with the bride just to run a few errands. She's asked me to accompany her. So I'm just waiting for her now to confirm that she's on her way to town, and then I'll also drive and meet her in town. But while I'm waiting for her, okay, so I've just changed the bedding. I'm done. What I want to do right now is I'm done cleaning the bathroom. I've mopped it clean. I want to take, I don't think I'm going to do the laundry today, but I wasn't gonna wash it by hands and if I can chin in, but I think I'm just gonna put it there and I'll probably do it one. But anyway, I need to wash the bedding that I was changing and also a bit of laundry. So now I'm just gonna clean our room, and once I'm done, I'll move on to the sitting room. If she calls, I'll just drop everything and I'll go. Then later on in the day, ndizawuhamba ndiyovela ke ngoku. That's where the makoti content begins. The one that most of you guys enjoy vlogs because unpost ezinye izinto you guys don't watch. But as soon as I drop Makoti content, Sana, you guys will be watching like nobody's business. Uleki Human is coming and his phone is on. I just want to talk to him. Yes, Nana? Apologies about that. So yeah, I am a bit distracted, but yeah, I was saying then later on, yes, and that's when the Makoti content begins. Yeah, but yeah, for now, let's go to town. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show her on camera because really, guys, I'm not sure about how she's feeling. Probably very stressed right now. I bumped into the husband yesterday in town. I bumped into the husband. You could see Shem, this guy is been going through, the planning of a wedding, guys. It's not child's play. But yeah, let's do this. Let me just finish what I can right now, and then I'll take you guys to town. But I'm not sure if you will meet her. I'll have to ask for her permission first. But as to what we are going to be doing in town, I'll show you guys. Okay, let's start. Do you see anything? Yeah, We are trying to find the broccoli in this garden, but we can't find it. And Tata is not here, no mama, to tell us about which side it should be at. Guys, we've walked the entire... Okay, we didn't go there. Nah. But we've walked the entire part here. Then there's another part there. And then that side as well. There is no broccoli. Or rather, let me say, we can't see it. We can't find it. We found pumpkin instead. Okay, obviously the beans all over. So we're just going to have to wait for Umama because I wanted to start cooking supper already. But we're just going to have to wait. And guys, look what I've just found. Look what I've just found in Mama's garden. I might wait. I don't even know how to put the numbers now. Hey, Betrunan. So this was for the birthday that Usmakoti did for me. So he won't be silly up. Guys, and okay, it's a garden. It's a garden. I'm going to start making supper. It's very early, guys, but I'm gonna make supper now because later is back. So Nako is helping me with amazambane, and then Upudluvo is helping me with a carrot. I need broccoli, but I'm gonna have to wait. But I'm just gonna steam the broccoli, and then we supposed to be having umleqwa inkukhu, but umama natata abekho ngabo abakwazi ukuyixhela. So if ayenzekanga, it means we're having veggies with no meat. If yenzekile, then it's fine. Ayihluphi. And also kuyaqala ukutshisa ngoku ekuseni bekubanda. That's why I was wearing this prawn neck. So I'm still not sure if ngizoyitshintsha or not. I'm really not up to it, but we'll see because kuzophinda kubande later. And lipstick yami siyaphuma ngoku. But yeah, let me start cooking. Oh, so these are the ones esihamba nazo. Oh, okay. You wanna say hello with your hand, not your face. Only show your hand, not your face. To my vlog. Don't worry, I'll play you. Okay, you can say hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Hello vlog. Hello vlog.
Hello vloggers.
Guys, guess who's home? Babe just got home. Oh, bride, akakandifoneli ukuba sihambe. So now Ndizawufaka isikhafu, ndithwale iqhiya. Let me turn this around. I'm eating. I forgot that part. Ndizawufaka isikhafu. Yayibona iqhiya sendiyithwele. What did I mean? Ndizawufaka isikhafu ne-apron. And then ndihambe ndiye kulams. Ndihambe naye. There's items that you see are some of the items that he has to go drop off. So yeah, let me go get ready. I don't think ngisazoya down, guys. So ningathi hayi ndile down and I didn't show you ukuba senza ntoni. Bride to be has not contacted me. She did say that she's busy with other things with hubby in town, then she'll call me when she's done. But now the time is 12:41 and she hasn't contacted me. So I'm just gonna now go with the flow. Guys, I've just quickly put on my apron, iskhafu, and ngoku siyapha ulamzi. I'm going with Bay, just the two of us. And then I'm not sure if I'll go to town because I also need to go check on my dress that I'm gonna wear tomorrow. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that with him or kanye nzoyenza D1. And how do I look? Uluba ishy, guys, and I couldn't tell the oats. Mna guys abantu bam yazi. Yo, I got my dress, guys. Just a sneak preview of what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow at the wedding. This is the dress. Ibiyolungiswa ke sana le lokho le. Yo, isitori sale lokho, but anyway, mandiyeke mandiphume kuye. But yeah, so good now. Right now, guys, andazi noba siyapi because aland man in the city we're doing this, and everything that I say we're doing, it doesn't seem to work. Earlier on in the test, close Makoti, but we ended up going to Hluma Lodge. See your dropper izinto. Because uthe masizise pha eHluma singazisi kowabo. Ebe yephi?
Uyathenga apha.
Yo.
Belupa ka.
Hey, umncedile. Okay, siyabi ngo.
Asendlini.
Okay, so right now siyendlini. Guys, abantu banamacebo. Le moto ephambi kwethu kulayitwe ifridge. Babe. Sorry, I'm trying to get my chauffeur here. My chauffeur here to my chauffeur here to work with me. Yo, so that I can show you guys. Yo, okay, kulayishiwe. Even le kulayishwe ifridge kubekwe icase le beer apha phansi phezu into yansimbi leya kwetoba. So itoba kwabekwa icase ye beer and then kwafakwa ifridge sana. Let me zoom in. Guys, niyabona mara? Yo, abantu banamacebo soze kalokusana. And ihleli ifridge. Cha kunabalekisi. So akho mntu bakhona abantu ba bakhona abantu ilayishile abantu. It's not just, it's a pity and yabona nazi intambo lapha emaceleni so that le fridge ihlale kakuhle. Akukho umuntu ungazi utransportelwa ifridge apha enxabe engenamoto. Akho kwa excuse yoba andizothenga fridge because andinamoto. Ihleli kakuhle kodwa hayi bayiqhinishela. Bakhona abantu bayazi phanda zobabona njani. So ibroccoli kuthiwa ila Oh, nespinach na you can't it this side. This is so far from guys. So we are from there. Yeah, one of the distance we had to walk. I'm sure I've accumulated 1.5. I'm sure I've accumulated 1,500 steps already. As it says, spinach. Yo, son, we had to wait for Ulili, son. Osuga a goal. Hi, still up, huh? Oh. Okay, let me just ndinganyathela izitshalo asisihle ispinach. You seen spinach sala? Khange ndize nakwi spinach yazi into le icabbage I think. Oh, my own. Oh, okay, so we must find Nancy guys broccoli. We found it thanks to Lily.
Yes. Thanks to me.
Masikhangele ngathi inkulu ke. Okay.
Let's go.
We didn't bring a knife, guys.
It's okay.
Last one. I think we said this one.
Yes.
Yo. And we got 3. Let me show them. All 3 of them. We got 3 broccolis fresh.
Fresh from the garden.
Yeah. Oh. Hayi. Kuthiwa mandiqhube because uGuy udiniwe. Lam liSoweto.
Ah, Nkosi
Bengifuna ngasoqhaqha. Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's do this. Finally, I am done with supper. There's my broccoli. I just steamed this broccoli. Then I'm going to use the cheese and mushroom sauce, homemade. And then here I've got just boiled tomatoes. It is not mashed potato. They're overcooked because they're using something else. And then, but it's supposed to just be potatoes. And then we've got a carrot, and then a chicken. Sakusele chicken, guys. Ish, almost done. Nansi chicken. And it's but it's almost done. And then ndizawuphaka ngolungiselela uphaka. Okay, say hi to the vlog. Guys, nakumakoti finally. Ndizombona ebusuku ngo-8.
Tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Hello.
You're so tired. Umhle. Akagqibi guys ningabona ethwele into isazofaka iduku and then the scarf and everything. She's getting ready apha. Sana istress ukuthini? Okay, let me switch this off. Hi everyone. I was editing this vlog and I've just realized that I do not have an outro for it. So I'm here to do an outro. I wanted to thank you so much guys for watching. If you have not subscribed and you've watched up to this point, thank you so much, and maybe please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, share and comment. I will see you guys on the next video. Until then, take care. I love you so much. Mwah.